Good morning, children. Children, today we are going to do revision worksheet number 1. Let us quickly see the questions. Remember that you have to write your section name and roll number. Identify these characters and write 2 sentences about them. Which character is this, children? See, it is hands. So you will write hands and then you will write about hands. Okay, you have to write 2 sentences about hands. That is, Hans lived in Germany. Okay, first we will discuss and then we will write the answers. Okay, Hans lived in Germany. Hans liked to play with the puppy. Then question number 1b is the little man. If you want to see the picture, it is not very clear, but with that little picture we can understand that he is a little man, but we have to write Rumpelstiltskin. For this you should know the spelling, and then we have to write 2 sentences about Rumpelstiltskin. Okay, so he is Rumpelstiltskin. He is the little man. He helped the miller's daughter and he could spin straw into gold. You can write some other sentence also for them. It is not required that whatever teacher is saying you have to write that only, but you have to write the sentences that are related to this chapter only. Then next, what did Hans' mother call him? Hans' mother called him a foolish man. Hans' mother called him a foolish boy. Okay. Then, why did the miller's daughter cry? The miller's daughter cried because she could not spin straw into gold. Then, what happened to the butter? The butter had melted in the sun. Then, after that, question number D. 2D. How did the little man help the miller's daughter? The little man helped the miller's daughter by spinning the straw into gold. Then you have to give the meanings, write the words for the given meanings. You have to write the words for the given meanings. Packed means what? To make thread means what? A strong wish to get more and more, and covered with dust. So packed means what? Stuffed. So we will write stuffed, stuffed. Spin means to make thread. A strong wish to get more and more is greed. Okay, to covered with dust is dusty. Okay, then next. Now make compound nouns by coloring the correct option. Pen, knife. You have to color them. Okay, door, bell, watch, strap, book, shelf. Then after that we have rhyming words. Now what are rhyming words? Words ending with the same sound. Words ending with the same sound are called as rhyming words, isn't it? So go, show, you can write toe, anyone you write, okay. Then B is day, say, hay, ending with the same sound. See, they are ending with the same sound. Bold, cold, fold, face will be lace, space, anything it can be, isn't it? So that's it, children. With this, now these are the answers. You can see, children. See the answers. Answers may differ with what we have discussed. So you can write my said answers, or else you can copy these also. Then after that, this. And then this and this. Okay, so that's it, children. Complete this. For face, here it is written place, that is also correct. Okay, go low, that is also correct. So that's all children. Complete your work. Thank you so much.